Question 59. Consider the following statements regarding mercury pollution. Gold mining activity is a source of mercury pollution in the world. Coal-based thermal power plants cause mercury pollution. There is no known safe level of exposure to mercury. How many of the above statements are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none. So I have given two sources. One is from Hindu and another is from Down to Earth. So Down to Earth, as I have mentioned multiple times, is a good source to read about environment, pollution, climate change, all such related articles. It's also a good habit to go through the daily articles of Down to Earth and see whether any such important articles is mentioned. So there is question 15. I will just show the links and see how we can answer these questions. So this is a Hindu article, Breathing the Toxic Air of Chandrapur. So if you see, it appeared on February 2023. It is during our preparation phase. So it talks about Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station. So here, if you see, it is written, there were also heavy metals such as mercury, arsenic, and cadmium, which can cause cancer of the bladder and liver. So coal ash, so it is talking about the thermal power plant pollution. So as you can see, mercury poisoning can come from ashes of this thermal power plants. So that is one source. And if you see, gold mining is one of the world's most destructive and unnecessary industry. Here is how to end it. Around 7% of the gold purchased globally each year is used for industry, technology, or medicine. If you read, gold mining also account for 38% of annual global mercury emissions, which cause millions of small-scale miners to suffer from chronic mercury poisoning, which can cause debilitating illness, especially in children. So gold mining is another source of another source of mercury. And this is an old article. It talks about India being a mercury hotspot, lot of mercury. So it's about importing mercury waste. So here it says, according to the World Health Organization, there is no safe level of mercury for humans. So otherwise also, if you search, mercury is a highly toxic element, there is no known safe level of exposure. It talks about some levels at which there are clear signs of mercury poisoning, but if you read mercury and if you read articles from World Health Organization or UNEP, it says there are no safe level of exposure to mercury. So these are the important points that one could use to answer such question. So as I said, most of the such articles that appeared on the newspapers or sources we follow had enough information to answer this question. So yeah, you could easily answer the question 59 now. Coal mining activity is a source of mercury. True. Coal-based thermal power plants cause mercury pollution. True. There is no known safe level of exposure to mercury is also true. So that is question 59. Moving on to next question.